Back here we have a well that came in really good, and it's my understanding that it was producing well. The problem is it's so far back off, they have problems with the electrical line, and the electrical lines are buried in the ground somewhere where we can run a poly pipe straight across, which I'll show you in another video, and pick up the air line that's going to be running on the other side of those trees, just to give you an idea. And the well, I believe, has a flow line going to it, so we would just need to get ourselves an air line. And as you can see, here is the actual well itself, sitting there with no equipment and nothing on it. Okay, so now I'm in the back corner. I'll go in for a minute so you can see the white box that you see over there and the propane tank. That's where we just were. So looking at the road before, we now came down to the left, and you could see this is a 2,200 foot run. This is 2,200 feet, and Kenny's already got the poly pipe ran all the way down to here. It's not buried, but it's here and it's ran. And he's set another air tank right here, and there is good electricity here, so we have the capabilities of putting a second compressor onto this stand, which he's already got set up, and electricity, so we could tie another compressor into the system, or if we want to add a second solar system and tie it in. So this cable, this is the dead end. This side right here is now attached to the wellhead. The wellhead's attached to here. The wellhead's gonna sit in there, but this cable goes down, and there's a cable support bracket on every pump.
Okay.
So every pump is attached to this cable. At the end, the cable gets attached to the wellhead. The wellhead sits on top of here, so there's nothing that's above, with the exception of the wellhead